Get dinner ready in no time with this chicken and rice recipe. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Start by searing your chicken quarters 2 at a time in a hot pan until they're nice and golden on both sides. Use a splatter guard if you have one to make this easier. Cook your second batch, and then place them on a clean plate. In the same pan, cook your onions with the carrots and garlic. Give it a quick stir and then add your seasoning. Deglaze the skillet by slowly adding the broth, and then scrape off any bits that might be stuck on the bottom. Add your herbs, your Dijon mustard, and stir it all together. Add the rice, making sure that it's nice and even all over the pan. Place your chicken back in the pan with the skin side up, and then place your sprigs of thyme if you have. Place the lid on the pan and carefully place it in your preheated oven. For the last 10 minutes, take the lid off to get a nice crispy texture on top. And just like that, you've got dinner for 4 ready to go. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.